problem. So you don't have what we currently sit with. We've got youth unemployment crisis, but hardly any young people in parliament. So you've got people who are not young people talking about youth unemployment and coming up with solutions to youth unemployment. But young people are not involved in coming up with solutions to them. We have a lot of unnecessary political parties.
Why is that though? Because like now,
Some of it is opportunism.
okay.
Yeah, some of it is opportunism. It's to have an opportunity to get a bit of power or to get some recognition.
So how do we know that your political party it is not one of those?
So the political party that Umkhonto is, like I said, there's a historical context to it. And there's a clear mandate as to what Umkhonto needs to establish and to achieve. Jacob Zuma is an experienced leader, an experienced campaigner. So he's been in this from a very young age. And he continues to be in it because of his experience. So it's a big advantage to have a political party that in its leadership has people who've actually been present in the country, who was involved in the inception of BRICS, for example. Mm-hmm. So in international policy, in not just domestic, person who has a lot of influence in Africa, in the East. So you're not just talking about an old man who's got no ideas. You're speaking about a very powerful and experienced leader. No, so I think we'll need to correct that thing of founder.
Okay.
No. So he was sent to register the party. Okay? He did not source his own funding to register. So it's clear that Jacob Zuma was the person who sent him to register the party. Once you've joined Umkhonto where you can then participate in the internal elections of the party.